Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an SSI application letter. What is an SSI application letter? A Supplemental Security Income or SSI application letter is a written request submitted by an individual seeking financial assistance through the Supplemental Security Income Program in the United States. SSI is a federal income supplement program designed to help aged, blind, and disabled people with little to no income meet their basic needs for food, clothing, and shelter. The application letter is an essential part of the SSI application process, where individuals provide information about their financial and medical situation to determine their eligibility for SSI benefits. The letter typically includes personal details, information about income, assets, and living arrangements, as well as details regarding the individual's disability or health condition. The content and format of the letter may vary, depending on the specific requirements of the Social Security Administration or SSA and the applicant's circumstances. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an SSI application letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. And then, write your home address. You can also add your phone number and email address. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient. You need to write the recipient's name. If you have no idea, you can simply write the name of the office. In this case, the letter is addressed to Washington Social Security Administration office. Under it, write the address of the office. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the subject or reference of the letter. You can simply write, Supplemental Security Income or SSI application. Once you completed all the information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Since you don't know their name, you may write, Dear Sir or Madam. In the first paragraph, you can write the purpose of the letter. Clearly state the purpose of the letter, which is to apply for Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, benefits. You can simply write, I am writing to apply for Supplemental Security Income or SSI benefits. And then, do an introduction. Introduce yourself and provide your name. Mention that you are applying for SSI benefits due to a severe disability that has left you unable to work. Here is the example. My name is Alexander Hamilton, and I am facing significant financial challenges due to a severe disability that has left me unable to work. In the second paragraph, this is where you give details about enclosed documents. Mention that you've included all necessary documentation to support your SSI application. Of course, you need to list the documents that are enclosed with your application. You may write, enclosed with this application, you will find all the necessary documentation and forms to support my SSI application. And then, elaborate every document you attached. The first document is SSI application form that you have filled. Here, you can write it this way. 1. Completed SSI application form. I have filled out all the required forms with accurate and truthful information. The second document is proof of identity. Explain that you've provided a copy of your government-issued identification, such as driver's license, as proof of identity. Here is the example. 2. Proof of identity. Attached is a copy of my government-issued identification, my driver's license. For the third document, it is proof of income. State that you've included documentation of your income, such as recent pay stubs, bank statements, and other relevant documents. And here is the example. 3. Proof of income. I have included documentation of my income, which includes recent pay stubs, bank statements, and any other relevant documents. For the fourth document, you can talk about medical records. Of course, you need to mention that you've enclosed your medical records. For example is from Washington Medical Center. They are including a diagnosis of your disability and details about your treatment. Here is how you write it. 4. Medical records. Enclosed are my medical records from Washington Medical Center, including a diagnosis of my disability and details about my treatment. For the 5th document, it is your employment history. Include information about your employment history, providing a summary of your work experiences. Check this example. 5. Employment history. Attached is information about my employment history, including a summary of my work experiences. And the last document is proof of residence. Mention that you've enclosed proof of your current residence, such as your lease agreement and recent utility bills. Here is the example. 6. Proof of residence. Enclosed is proof of my current residence. My lease agreement for the apartment at 123 Federal Avenue, Washington, D.C. 20001, and recent utility bills. In the 3rd paragraph, write your commitment to compliance. Here, you need to express your understanding of the importance of complying with all program requirements. For example I understand the importance of SSI benefits in providing financial support to individuals facing challenging circumstances. And then, state your commitment to providing any additional information or documentation requested. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. I am committed to complying with all program requirements, and will promptly provide any additional information or documentation requested by your office. In the 4th paragraph, give your contact information. Yes, you need to provide your contact information, including your phone number and email address. Here is the example. If there are any further steps I need to take or if you require any additional information from me, please do not hesitate to contact me at 555-123-456-789 or hamilton@email.com. Besides that, express also your eagerness to move forward with the application process. You can write something like, I am eager to move forward with this process and appreciate your assistance during this difficult time. In the last paragraph, this is where you show your gratitude. Thank the Social Security Administration for considering your application for SSI benefits. You may simply write, thank you for considering my application for Supplemental Security Income or SSI. And then, express your hope for the opportunity to receive the support needed during a difficult time. This is the example. I look forward to the opportunity to receive the support I need to improve my financial situation and ensure my well-being. And finally, you may close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an SSI application letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.